Hello and welcome to my Tuesday conference call. Ted Keys, your host and top freight agent training expert here in Southern California. If you have any questions today about anything that I went over today on my call, or more specifically, are you ready to join my top producing freight sales team? And are you ready for my top producing freight sales training? Yes, then give me a call, Ted Keys. I'm at 626-309-9141. Let's move on to that last attachment. Again, that free attachment that I provided down there at the bottom of your email invite today. And that is, again, remember when you're calling your prospects and customers that your results drive your lifestyle. Your results drive your lifestyle. Whatever results you're having, that is indicative of the lifestyle that you're having. If your lifestyle is that you're living in squalor, or you've got unpaid bills, you've got no freight, well, check your results, all right? And all you have to do is look around and check your lifestyle. Your lifestyle is indicative of the actions that you have taken in life. If you take determined, persevering actions and you tell yourself, not only tell yourself, but follow through by saying, I'm gonna get 3 new contacts today. I'm gonna continue building my contact list. I'm gonna follow up with all the contacts that I made. That will be indicative of results that generate a great lifestyle. Because when you move forward in that direction, you're going to get the results that are equal to the actions that you put forth. Remember, when you're calling your prospects and customers, guys, that your results determine your lifestyle. Great results, positive results, champion results will give you a great lifestyle in any freight sales or any sales profession. And if you have any questions today about anything that I went over today on my call, or more specifically, are you ready to join my top producing freight sales team? And are you ready for my top producing freight sales training? Yes, then give me a call, Ted Keys. I'm at 626-309-9141. Again, great topic today. Thank you so much for joining me today on my Tuesday conference call. I will see you all again next Tuesday, same time, 2 p.m. Pacific time, 5 p.m. Eastern time on my Tuesday conference call. Pleasure talking to you today. Take care. God bless you all. I'll see you all again next week on my Tuesday conference call.